here's the shop where Dorothy is going into. And just have to move some stuff around. Okay, so Dorothy's now back in the shop, and she will be in here for the winter, so it'll be a nice protected place for her and a bit warmer for me. My plan is I'm going to be corking her hull, painting it, then be putting on some rub rails on her, doing some deck work, basic interior. Yeah. Then we'll have her done for spring is the plan, and then she'll go back down to Victoria to the BC Maritime Museum's care. And yeah, what I'd like to do is keep you posted on the work that I'm doing, and we will see you when that happens. Okay, bye for now.